here's how you can fix the missing Add Phone Number option in Roblox. If the Add Phone Number option isn't showing in your Roblox account settings, there are a few common reasons why. First, check whether your phone number is already linked to another Roblox account, especially one that has been terminated. In that case, you'll need to contact Roblox support to recover or remove the number before you can use it again. Your account age also affects this feature. If your account is estimated to be under 13 years old or around 13 to 15 years old without completing age verification, the phone verification option may not be available. If you're eligible, complete Roblox's age verification process to unlock additional account features, including phone verification where supported. Another common reason is your region. Roblox doesn't offer phone verification in every country, so the option may be hidden based on your location. Some users have found that after connecting through a supported region, such as by using a VPN, the phone number option appeared and they were able to add their number. If none of these solutions work, contact Roblox support for account-specific assistance. That's all for this video. Thanks.